Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan. This is a Nakama Noodles subscription box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, Box Japan. That's meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. These boxes have a bunch of really neat varieties that generally I've never tried, and so far it's been great. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Wow. So when you crack open one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see is this leaflet. This month's box is called the Moonlit Ramen Feast, and it is for September of 2024. And when you look on the back, you're going to see this QR code. And when you zap this QR code with your phone or whatever, it's going to take you to a page that has a PDF, and that PDF is really nicely done, and it's got information about all the varieties that are in the box, little bits of tidbits of info and how to cook them and what's in them. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to run you through everything that's in here. And to start things off, we've got a Moojo Ippichan Night Stall grilled corn charred soy sauce Yaki Soba. You may have seen just the regular Yaki Soba tray of this in the US. You won't find this in the US. Period. Grilled charred. Yeah, this is neat. I'm really looking forward to it. And here's one from Saporo Ichibond. This is a Shio ramen, a Kuzefuku and Company variety with everyday dashi. I don't know what everyday dashi implies, but I guess this is like an everyman's kind of noodle variety. I'm curious. We'll check it out. Wow, this is interesting. This is Nissen 18 spice aromatic spicy curry chicken ramen. And what's interesting about this is that A, I haven't had it, and B, I'm still looking for my number 5,000 review product. I wasn't planning on doing a bowl, but one of the first things I ever tried was, in fact, the first Japanese instant noodle I ever tried was Nissen chicken ramen. This is a variant of that, so interesting. Now here's a Marchand variety from their Kuta range. Kuta meaning I'm full or I'm satisfied. This is a smoky green mayo variety. I am fascinated and somewhat disturbed. I don't know, but I really like the little guy running around. Yeah, there he is. Check him out. I don't know, this should be interesting. These are usually pretty good. Next up, we've got Nissen UFO. At least that's how they pronounce it in their commercials. Nissen UFO. Slurp Flavor Punch. Extra thick sauce Yaki Soba. So I don't know if that's extra thick sauce or extra thick noodle. Let's give this a look. This looks interesting. I'm going to guess the sauce is extra thick. So it should have like a tamarind and, a salty tamarind, tangy kind of thing, Worcestershire-esque. Cool. Yeah, I haven't had a new UFO variety in a while, so I'm looking forward to this. Wow, this is cool. Nissen Ramen Shop Sapporo Miso Ramen. And what's neat about this is I have reviewed this, I think. It's been a while, so this I found up in Canada years ago, and so it'll probably get a new review. Yeah, this range is really neat. I remember finding it, and I was just like, wow, cool. Yeah, you won't find this in the US, that's for sure. Sometimes you find a lot more international varieties out of the US than you do in the US, so very cool. Now here's one from a range I haven't seen in years. This is Moojo Hiobanya Tonkatsu Ramen, and I've never actually had this one before. I used to be able to find the Hiobanya stuff down in Seattle, and they were only trays. I haven't had this one. I think I had the shoyu and the miso, but very cool. Wow, I'm freaking loving all the pack varieties in this box this month. It's great. It's super cool. This is Moojo Sharamera Miyazaki Spicy Ramen. This one, if you see the little guy down here, he's holding a horn, and that's called Sharamera. Basically, like this ice cream man would come. They play their song. You go out, you get ice cream. He plays his horn. You go to his stall, you get some ramen. And finally, to round out the box, we've got Nissen 0-second chicken ramen snack with pizza flavor pack. So when I saw this, my first thought was, oh my god, this is a Nissen chicken pack. This would be really cool for 5,000. But it's a snack ramen. I really don't want to do a snack ramen for 5,000, but this is really cool. There's some neat stuff in this box that could be contenders. I wanted to do a Nissen product, and I asked them about it, and they couldn't come up with anything here in the States. I've asked a few companies, and it's getting close. I mean, as I'm doing this, I think I posted number 4,962 today or something like that. It's under 40 days until it's supposed to come out. So it's kind of, it's like I really want to pick the right thing. It's almost like I got to pick something that's just kind of like ho-hum just so I can get that done and move on. But yeah, snack ramen. This will be interesting. This is like a crunch it up, put the seasoning on it, shake it up and eat it. So these generally are pretty good, and yeah, this one's very unique, pizza flavor. I always crack up when I see pizza flavor instant noodles. All right, so in this, the September 2024 Nakama noodle box entitled Moonlit Ramen Feast, you get tonkatsu, pizza, something spicy, miso, chicken ramen, smoky green mayo ramen, shio, corn-flavored yakisoba, and your informational leaflet. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Nakama Noodles for sending this along. If you want to get one of these rad boxes to your door, they still got them. I'm putting this out on the 6th. I think they have them till the end of the month. So yeah, check them out. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount, and go to www.meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Check them out. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.